Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Messenger not opening on your Android or Samsung phone. First, you'll need to go into Play Store. Once you're in Play Store, you want to type in Messenger. And here you want to check if your Messenger app needs updating. If it does need updating, you'll tap on Update. But if it doesn't need updating, you'll close out of App Store and you're going to go into Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Apps. And from here, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to type in Messenger. And you can see it right here. You're going to select it. Then you're going to tap on Force Stop in the bottom right hand corner. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to tap on Storage. And you want to tap on Clear Data and Clear Cache. After you have done that, you're going to go back and you're going to tap on Permissions. And here you want to tap on Allowed. And you want to tap on Calendar and you want to tap on Allow. Then you're going to tap on Contacts, Allow. And you want to tap on Camera, Allow only while using the app. And you're going to tap on File, Allow. And you'll tap on Microphone, Allow. And tap on Phone, SMS. You want to ensure that you grant all of these things access, as some of the time this can be the reason why it keeps on crashing or not opening. And after you have done that, you'll simply restart your device. And once you have restarted your device, you'll try and open Messenger again and your problem will be fixed. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to fix what's Facebook Messenger not opening problem.